Good day, campers. Today's project is we're going to add shut-off valves to my RV shower. As you can see, it's tucked up inside the wall. Now, in my case, my camper used a flexible half-inch reinforced hose, which is slightly bigger and will not work with shut-off valves. I have already replaced that flexible hose with PEX. As you can see, I've added the shut-off valve to the red line. I've measured from the fitting back down to the line, and I will install this hose on the other side of the shut-off valve, connect to the faucet valve, and then I'll do the same for the blue. Be sure to check out my other videos on adding shut-off valves to an RV bathroom and adding a faucet to your RV kitchen. In that video, I also add shut-off valves. So now I've connected both the shut-off valves to the shower faucet. Everything's been tested. We are leak-free. It's actually a fairly simple project, except for the fact that you're working it down inside that hole. Thanks for watching, and as always, please remember to like and subscribe.